Alright guys, let's show you what happened here last night. A little Toyota. We did the box like I told you quite a while back. We cut all that out and put new metal in. This time Mike did the lower half of the cab and the rockers. Gentleman just wants to keep the rust away, uses this truck for hunting, and it's his winter vehicle. Honestly, for what it would take, he should have just painted the rest of it, but it is what it is. I don't know how well it's going to match for... this is the color, but the problem is this is not... So see, this is not a blend. Now, some people don't understand. What's a blend, Rick? I'm going to show you how... I'm not going to show you exactly, but I'll explain to you kind of quickly how you'd make it blend better. Like, if we get... like... You see the difference there between the two? The main difference is this is just more bright and the color's off a teeny bit. But what you would have done is you would have sanded the door lightly. You wouldn't have sanded the paint off. You just kind of sand off away the clear. You would have done your paint work here and you just would have blended it all into the door so it all goes that way. Where when you do it this way, piecework, you're always going to tell you did piecework. Okay, so if that makes any sense to you. That color is off a little bit. We're also looking at it under fluorescent lighting. Obviously, this is the original paint from '93, where now we're talking paint like this. So, yeah, it is what it is. So, anyway, that's what got done. Oh, yeah, all the roof got done. But still... I mean, I guess he's taking care of pretty much all the body work. I mean, if he wanted to, he could bring this truck in here one day. Could probably spend 3 or 4 days on it. Sand it, prep it, paint the whole thing. Honestly, is what I would do. Alright? I would have painted the whole cab just from the beginning, to be honest. For the extra few days it would have took. But this is why I say I work within your budget. Now, I don't mean that when I say I work within your budget that I'm going to give you a better deal. The rate is the rate. You're going to pay the hourly shop light rate no matter what. You're just going to pay it. But if you want to do something like that and you're like, I don't have a lot of money, I can't afford to paint the whole truck, blah, 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 well, then that's what I'll do for you. Just remember, when it's done and over, that's how it's going to look, if that makes sense. Now our latest little thing that came in, needing an alternator, was this little 46 Ford pickup. Another Roadman Car Club vehicle. These guys bring me a lot of work, they're good guys. Anyway, this is not a perfect truck. But someone did take it off. Someone took it right down to the bare frame. They've done everything. And then they just cleaned up the body. I think they kind of left all the original kind of dings and dents in it and just repainted it, which is kind of cool. They didn't get carried away. It's got the old wooden dashboard you'd expect to see in the 70s or 80s, and the old diamond tough seat you'd see then. You know, it's got a C4 automatic. It's got all new brakes, tires, all that kind of stuff. It's got a little 302 in it. I don't know if I can open this on my own. Let me set the camera down. Hang on here. You can look at my beautiful yard while I keep talking. There we go. Okay. Whoa, sorry guys. Little 302. And this bad boy just fires right up. Fires right up and goes every time. Let's actually see. Oh, maybe the keys aren't here. Maybe the keys are not here. No, the keys are not. Keys are hanging up. But it just fires up and goes. So, yeah. Anyway, I think that's closed. Yep. I don't know about these trucks. I don't dislike them. They're not my favorite in the whole world, but I don't hate them. I think they're a cool looking truck. Like, you know, like I would drive it and be happy with it, but it wouldn't be my first choice. Just being honest. I like the 51, 52 Ford pickups. That's what I like. I like them with the grill with all the teeth on them, you know what I mean? They're cool looking. Very cool. Okay, well today we're going to attempt, there's our quarter panel we got dragged out for the GTO. It's still early morning, that's why the doors are closed. We're going to attempt to put a wheel tub in place and line up the quarter, but at least get the wheel tub in place. It is Thursday, and I got some other stuff on the go, so we're going to do that. This truck should be going today. The Meteor's going today. The Toyota I got to put back together. I got to put all the windows back in it. And when you just saw painted, unmask it, get it done, and that's going today. And the next one we're going to do is we're going to do the paint work on his 81 Ford. So I'm going to get set up here this morning and get things all ready to go, and then I'll get this camera back on and away we go. Does anyone recognize what that is for right there? Anyone recognize that? Not the grill show. The surround for the windshield there. If you do, let me know in the comments. That'd be kind of cool. Okay, anyway, we'll be back at you in a bit. Okay, so we got the Toyota all back together. Windows in, canopy moved forward. Yeah. You can see we did the box last year because you can see how the color matches the box perfectly, but the door's a bit off, but it's faded. Did the bottom of the door, so what do you expect, right? That's what you're going to get. There it is, looks good. On this Thursday afternoon. So that one is out the door. The 46 Ford is out the door today. The 49 Meteor is out the door today. We're rolling them out. The 59 Galaxy we're waiting on brakes. The 81 Ford we're waiting to paint that next week. And now I am working on fitting the wheel tub. Like I told you guys, fit it, get it hooked in, then take your quarter panel and fit your quarter panel to make sure that that wheel tub is in place, in the right place, to fit your opening of your quarter. Don't just start welding it on, because it's all aftermarket and something could go wrong. So what I'm going to do here next is I'm going to do the same thing I did on the other side. I'm going to cut this quarter panel right off along here. I'm not using this upper edge. I'm going to weld it along this edge here. It's exactly what I did on the other side. It worked out great. Alright, you can't even tell this was put on. Look at that. Sounds good. It looks good. Sean's working away on the 65 Chev. He's getting that prep, all the jams, the inside, the firewall, the inners of the door, because we're going to start painting that. That's probably a couple weeks away and get that sucker starting it again. Get her done. Get this one out of here before winter. So we're trying to roll them out now, because the weather is going to change soon. So anyway, everybody has their own way of doing this. I'm going to do the cut and butt like I always do, where I lay the panel up, I cut, the metal falls in, I peel it back from the inside, and I spot weld it along. But right now, like I say, I'm going to cut that off because I'm not going to use that and try and fit it up on there. So let's do some cutting. We primed it first, and we put our texture spray on, and of course we got our Weld 2 primer we're going to be welding the quarter onto. You can see it all the way along, everywhere. So we will come back to this after the long weekend. We'll do some more trimming and fit the quarter panel a little better, and then we'll be putting a quarter panel on it maybe next week. We'll at least get it hung on there. I don't know, we got a few jobs coming in, but at least we're getting this far with it, and it's got that ugly old quarter panel off there. We got this a lot stripped down. So if I don't get too much of a chance to work on this, because like I said, I do have other things coming in, I'll definitely get Sean maybe onto the front fender for sure, and we'll just keep plugging away, keep working away at it. So to everyone out there, have a good long September long weekend. Drive safe, don't drink too much, and just enjoy it. It's a long weekend. What can I say? It's always a good time at all time. We'll see you later.